Hey y'all, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're a returning viewer. Y'all know I get straight into my video. So here is the wig we will be installing today. I already have my bald cap on. I didn't show you guys how I did my bald cap only because it was really hectic. Yeah, I was struggling a little bit, so I just didn't show you guys. If you want to see how I do my bald caps, I have plenty of other videos. I sound a little stopped up right now, I'm sorry about that, but yeah, I have plenty of videos of me doing my bald cap method. While I'm going over the hair with a hot comb before I melt it down, I'm going to tell you guys more about this hair. So this hair is from WowAfrican.com. It's a 360 lace, so that means that you can wear the hair in a ponytail, like actually adhering the lace to the back of your hairline, if that makes sense. You know, like doing a ponytail, stuff like that. Y'all know what I'm saying. So you can do that with this wig. I personally just don't do that because it's hard to me, like trying to, because I don't want it to look perfect and to look clean. Now I have to have somebody else do that for me because I'm not that skilled with 360 laces at all. But nevertheless, this is 360 lace, 180% density, so it is a thick density. That is the wig, how the wig comes. You can't change the density. I'm not sure if they have the same wig with different density on their website, but this wig is 180% density. It's Indian hair, so that's the origin of the hair. I got mine in a 20-inch. The longest inch you can get is a 22-inch, but I got mine in a 20-inch which was natural, and I like the way it looked. I got the average cap, medium brown lace, and the knots come bleached, which it did, but I still bleached the knots around the perimeter of the hairline instead of the back because the knots in the back were cool. Like I could do a part and it looked clean, like the knots were bleached, because they were, but in the front not so much. So I went ahead and did that myself, and it did come with an elastic band that I actually did not use. This wig comes up to $366 with everything included, which is a little pricey, but this is some good quality hair. I wouldn't even lie to you guys. I see it as lasting a long time. I don't know how this hair would work well with washing though. I have not washed this wig, so I don't know, what that gives the aftermath of, but I'm talking a lot. I hope you guys are, okay with multitasking, listening to me talk about this wig while installing this. But, the steps that I do is very repetitive. Y'all see, melting down the lace as we speak right now. Going to go ahead and let you guys finish watching, and I'll come back if I have anything else more to say. All right, you guys, I am back, and I'm just going to tell you guys, like, okay, the glue that I'm using right now, because I get questions up under my videos in the comment section about what products that I use. So what I'm using to adhere my lace is Ghost Bond Platinum Glue. Now, let me tell you about this glue. I say this in a couple of my videos before. I don't like it that much. It leaves a white cast on your skin tone, especially like with darker skin tones. It just doesn't give it a clean, crisp look. So I am about to invest in some clear adhesive glue, y'all. I'm done with the white. But I do 2 layers every time I do 2 layers. Okay, in my blow dryer, it is old, child. It's old, so I don't even know what setting it be on. It be on like cool and hot at the same time, like dead ass. But as you can see, I'm pressing down the lace with my hand and my fingers to get it a nice secured laid look. And I also go with my Got to Be glue spread. I love doing this. It kind of just meshes everything together and gets everything sealed. It's kind of like the final touch for the lace and adhering the lace to my skin. As y'all can see, I'm using my wax stick. I don't know what brand this is. I'm pretty sure it was really cheap, y'all. They didn't have the regular wax stick that I use, so I'm not even going to recommend this one to y'all. Like, it gives me trouble. But yeah, I'm going to press that in with my hot comb, get everything nice and sleek. Y'all know this is mandatory for a nice flat install. Trust the process. But y'all see I have on my elastic band around my lace. It really gets stuff melted. Like, I just started using one and I love it. Like, F using a scarf. Like, no, you need an elastic band. You can get one from hair companies or you can get one from the craft store, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, invest in that if you want your lace to be like hella laid. Like, it really gets stuff laid. Also, when you're cutting your lace, I've realized and I've just learned that these razors, they get dull just like any other razor. So it's best to invest in, they're super cheap. So I'm about to stack up on some just so, I can always have a fresh, nice slice of a cut instead of it giving me trouble. But it isn't here. I'm just saying, like, y'all should do that too. Alright, y'all, let's get into these baby hairs. So I'm using Got to Be Glue in black. This is what I prefer to use, even though it's still not the best. If you guys have any recommendations of what I can do my baby hairs with, please let me know, because this gets crusty. Gorilla Snot gets gooey. Excuse me. What else have I used? Mousse. It doesn't give me a nice sleek kind of look. And then Edge Control gives a white cast. So yeah, let me know if y'all know anything that I can use, girl, because I don't know, I'm not feeling what I have, my options, but this worked just fine for this install. Yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch me do my baby hairs. I'm done talking. Final touches, I'm going back in with my wax stick as well as some bio silk. I love bio silk. I love the smell of it, I love the feel of it, I love the shine that it adds, the sleekness, y'all know. So yeah, so we're gonna press over that with this hot comb, and boom, like after this we're done, really. All right. This is the finished look. Very natural, a very natural look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Leave any comments down below. Y'all know I answer back and I show love. So do that. Leave this, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Y'all know. And if you want more information about this hair, check the description box. Check the links. All right, y'all. See y'all in my next one. Bye.